Alright. 17. Maestro. Is it English captions? Yes, it is. 4K. I love you. Remember when my computer couldn't handle 4K and I had to like only do 1080p? My God, that was a time. But we're here now. 17 Maestro. I heard a lot of good things about it. I know the footwork be going crazy. I heard someone in the chat told me that there's anime Woozy, and I'm like, oh, lord. Woozy is my bias, by the way. Without further ado, let's check out 17 in 3, 2, 1. The hell in the glitches? The Matrix, bro. Cyberpunk. Hey, I use that soundbite to. Ooh. What mission? Okay. Was that what? Okay. Okay, production already off the bat. What the hell? Give me my English. Give my English. Listen. I need my English subs. My bad. What in the movie production? Oh, those are like volume knobs. Ooh, okay. Okay, we matching fingers with. Are they like siding with the AI, with the robots? Ooh. They are the future, basically. What the fuck? Oh my God, I remember last time that shit scared me. Wait, who's this? Why he look like the main protagonist? Hold up. He looking like the main protagonist of an anime. What the hell? Not to like say it. Okay, Edward Elric. Okay, Full Metal Alchemist. Okay. Oh, he be working on his chesticles. Not to like, listen. I just be noticing things. Was that trumpets? Sorry, I'm going back and forth. Oh, they're wearing trumpets. It's like saxophone. Ooh. Okay. We're picking it up. How we dropping it? Okay, camera work. Okay, okay, little body rolling. A lot's happening, actually. Jesus. Oh, that look weird. I'm not gonna lie. That whole like leashing up with the robotic dogs. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, okay, action. Ooh. Beat up. The change beat up. Oh, these shots are fire. Oh, he looks so badass. Oh my God. Damn, they really be up in the the production in this one. They always have production, but my God. Always be with me. Woo! Hey, thanks for following. Wait, say that again? Damn, Mingyu buff as hell. Hold up, not him. I mean, that's not Mingyu, but right here. God damn, how your arm looking like one of my calves? While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. What did it say? Moving top fast. Moving too fast or top? I can't. I think too fast. Ooh. Damn, he got that little body roll on point. Woo. 17 really that group, bro. Bro, he looks so good. Bro, I don't know if you guys been watching any of my Patreons or my live streams or my sub Saturdays, but we've been trying to. Well, I started watching more Going 17 and just getting to know them a lot more. This man right here, he hit different. He always hit different. Is that it? No, it's not. Oh, the breathing. What the hell? Oh, that's so dramatic. Oh, the hand choreography too. Whoa, the switch up. Ooh. This feels like more of a performance. Like, ooh, I see my bias. I see you. I see you throughout. I see you there. This feels like more of a performance feel type. I would like appreciate even this more, even more live. They'll be even more crazier, I feel. Let's go, Woozy. Woo! Oh, this part. This is from the teaser. You know, I'm not gonna even try this footwork. I know I'll bust my ass. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Damn. Got the whole robot army with them. They're always a performance, bruh. Oh, it's a metronome. I just realized. Wow. Who is the real maestro? Who's the real maestro, chat? Who's the real maestro? Get Jarrell and John to do that? They probably will to be doing that. Hold up, I need to see Uzi again. His anime boy. Look, bruh. That first like instance where he comes in. Oh my god. What the fuck? Like I remember seeing this. Vernon with his attack dogs. Whoa. Bruh, look at him right here. I was like, is that Woozy? No way. You better flex, my boy. Look at you. Look at you. Hold up. Play that. I can't even scream properly. My boy, let's go. Look badass. This is really interesting of a music video. God, the amount of production that's in here is crazy. Obviously some AI editing too. But with the guys themselves. I should probably listen to this without the music video to see how I felt. Ooh, okay, body roll. We going. I see you going in, Vernon. Oh, Sungkwang. I saw him right there. Let's go, Vernon. In the middle. Hey. Damn. Anime opening Woozy. This scene is shot very well too, actually. I love it in the rain. Woo! They even did like some like the movie Old Boy type of like fighting like from the side profile. Looks badass. This too. This the glove work, choreo work kind of reminds me of like TVXQ a little bit. Catch me if you can. Ooh, the ripple effect. Just to note, in the beginning, a giant metronome is red and not moving because the AI is in control. But once the real 17 are in control, the metronome turns white and starts moving. Ah, I see. Let me see, actually. Hold up. Oh, it isn't moving because of the AI, I see. Until the very end when 17 getting control back. I see. Yeah, I saw. If you're paying attention, some of the members are glitching in the beginning, meaning that some of them are AI. Ah, I was wondering why they were glitching. Like, I know the beginning, yes. But let me see. I might pay attention to each glitch. Hold up. We're gonna watch this through. Which one is... Oh, shit! Oh my god, that's dope. That's an interesting... Because, like, even right here... Right here... Interesting. Oh, that's scoops. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, Vernon. My boy. Hey man, I'm proud. I'm always, every time I see him, I'm so proud seeing him. He look good. Let's go, Uzi. Damn, that bass really do hit though too. Oh wait, hold on. Ah. Interesting. I was looking at the dogs and their leashes. Who's your bias in 17, by the way, chat? Ooh. Oh, this shot's so dope. I'm not care about Vernon. Uzi. Oh, he looks so good here too, though. Sorry. With that hat? Ooh, you better sing, sir. Him too. Oh my god, they all look good, bro. Like, what the fuck? Like, who am I to like single out someone? Like, bro, they all look good for real. Let's be honest. Ooh, the body roll. I love that. Like the whole, like that type of ish. Ooh. Boom. Let's go. You need a good body roll, bro. Interesting shot. Bro, low key. With that, like the outfit and his hair. Jung'an. He looks like a good villain. You know, like a villain that everybody loves. Not saying that he's a villain, but you know what I'm talking about? Like in like a series. Like, look at him. Look at him. Bro, just the all black with the hair. Oh my god. He look badass. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe not villain or just like like a. He just looks like an assassin or a maestro. Well, I mean, it's about maestros. Yeah. He looks good. And then this part right here. It's not even. It's like. Oh, it's a 4-minute video too. Wow. The dramatic turn with the music. Oh. This choreo right here is so fire too. The hang choreo. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, vocal. Whew. This is like the killing part dance. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, and then the metronome is here. Now that they got full control. Like somebody said, the metronome starts clicking and it's not red. Interesting. Mingyu's FBI and Mingyu's like he's a bodyguard or whatever. Okay, 17. Alright, put a comment down below what you guys think of 17's Maestro. I was reading my Discord earlier and people are saying they loved it. It's like, and some people are saying it's not their favorite, but it was still good. And I see why, because it's still good. And I do want to see a live version of this because I already know it's gonna kill. I already know it's a performance. It's a performance. They're always on point. 17 good at doing the ripple effect. They're good at choreo in general because, especially being a group with so many members and just they're so, I wouldn't say they're fully dance heavy, but they're definitely performance heavy, and that's what I love about them. That's why I always recommend them every time they do tours. It's such a good time. It's such a good time seeing them live. If you have the opportunity to go see them live, go, go, go. They performed it live in the concert already. Oh, that's right. I did hear about that. I did hear about that in my Discord. 13 members and somehow always in sync. That's just a proof of the pudding, how close they are together, how they work, their work ethic, and just how much, how much hard work they put in. It's always impressive each time, each comeback, whether it be like a very performance heavy or a rap heavy or a vocal heavy, like how they have different subunits as well. It's always a great time. It's always a great time. 17 right here. All right, they killed that ish, bro.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.